To my butoy, my mama's boy, my other half, and my husband. Ikaw, ako, at ang Diyos ang bubuo ng panibagong pahina ng buhay natin.
Ask God and trust God for any decisions that you're going to be making. And then, bring your relationship more closer to God. Know God deeply. And I know He's not going to lead you to anywhere. Remember always that He will never leave you nor forsake you. Kahit na there are times that you've been unfaithful to Him, our Father in heaven is always faithful to you. I hope, son, you're going to be a good father. Not just like your father, but a good father. Okay? I love you, anak ko.
Love you, ma.
Parang na-anxiety ako, and then nag-leave ako sa work, tapos 7 days ako nag-leave, na solo ako, ganyan, nag-travel ako to Quezon. Pinagdasal ko siya kay Padre Pio. Actually, hindi naman talaga na pinagdasal kong siya yun. Tapos, pagsakay sa kotse, pauwi na ako, nag-add siya sa Facebook. Tapos, na-curious ako, sabi ko, sino kaya to? Ganyan. Tapos, bigla, in-accept ko yung, niya, friend request niya. Tapos, chinat niya ako. Tapos, doon na po doon na nagsimula.
Ito si Captain Lan, since bata pa. Siya na yung nagsilbing kuya ko.
Thank you.
And then, ito kasama sa kalokohan, ang babaero. Siyempre, ang kapatid niya, si CJ. Soon to be.
Thank you!
Ito si Ayan, ang aking best friend from high school. Ito ang pinakamakulit na sobra-sobrang kulit at laging late. Ito kay Ate Consi, ang aking pinakamabait na kaibigan. Ay, sa ate, syempre, ang ate. Kailangan bida.
Ano ka ate?
Describe. Masungit. Thank you!
Sabi ko noon, food trip, sakto, gutom din siya. So, nag-samgyup kami sa may Kabuyaw, Laguna. And then, ayun, after namin, nakakaya nga kasi sinundo niyo pa ako. Ako pa yung baliktad, yung laki yung sinusundo kaysa sa babae. So, ayun, sinundo niya ako, tapos nag-samgyup kami. After namin mag-samgyup, syempre, kwentuhan, pabibo, ako yung naunguna sa conversation. Kasi sobrang taray niya kasi.
My butoy, my mama's boy, and my other half, and also my husband. First of all, I want to thank God for giving me the man who is patient, loving, respectful, and most of all, a man who is godly. Before, I always pray for a manly man, pero ang ibinigay niya sa akin is more than I could imagine. Nilapit mo ako kay Lord. You always teach me how to praise God in all aspects. Thank you, love, for saving me through my drowning and brokenness before, even you didn't know I needed saving. You still chose to stay, even I myself don't know how to fix my own chaos. You still choose me despite of my past experiences and failures in life. Thank you for always choosing me despite of my worst attitude and shortcomings.
Ang tunay na pag-ibig ay ating masasaksihan sa oras na ito sa pag-iisang dibdib ni Boy at ni Hannah. Silang dalawa ay nagpasyang maging isa sa harap ng Diyos at ng tao sang-ayon sa banal na matrimonya ng kasal.
Feels like I'm standing on the timeless street of light mists with pale ambrose. Feels like I'm lost in the deep cloud of heavenly scent. Touching, discovering you.
Kakasal na ako! Hey! Hey!
Yon! Hey! Hey!
Those days of warm rains come rushing back to me. Miles of windless summer nights.
Yung kailangan yung intindihin yung bawat isa kasi sa relationship kasi magkaiba talaga ng characteristic eh.
Pero, pag may kasama ng pagmamahal ng Panginoon, doon yung love ni Lord yung mangingibabaw, nagiging perfect love siya. Yun yung lagi kong always na sinasabi ko sa akin. Sabi ko, nag-fail ako, oo, pero pag may love ni Lord, doon na yung magiging abundant.
I would like to end with something from one of the verses from the Bible. In Ruth chapter 1, verses 16 and 17. But Ruth replied, "Don't urge me to leave you or to turn back from you. Where you go, I will go, and where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God will be my God. Where you die, I will die, and there I will be buried. May the Lord deal with me, be it ever so severely, if ever death separates you."
I love you always, forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. I love you always, forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. You've got the most unbelievable blue eyes I've ever seen. You've got the almost melt away as we lay there under a blue sky with pure.
I love it na to. Sana maging okay naman tong pagkasama natin. Tsaka alam ko naman na si God yung center ng relationship natin dalawa. See you.
I love you always, forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. I love you always, forever, near and far, closer together everywhere. I will be with you, everything I will do for you. You've got the most unbelievable blue.
Magpakisa
magsamahan kayo ha, hindi yung lagi kayong magtatalo sa konting bagay.
Sa ML.
Sa ML. Lalo na yung ML na yan, tigilan na yan.
Thank you sa pag-support at saka sa pagmamahal.
Under a blue sky with pure white stars, exotic sweetness, a magical time. Say again, I love you, always, forever, near and far, closer together, everywhere. I will be with you.
Ngayon, Boy and Hannah, na inyong inihayag sa harap ng Panginoon. Sa dambanang ito ang inyong pangako ng pagmamahalan sa isa't isa at magsasama sa ilalim ng bisa ng banal na matrimonya ng kasal bilang mag-asawa. Aking ipinapahayag mula ngayon, September 30, 2023, na kayo ay mag-asawa na sa pangalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Banal na Espiritu.
Say love, love, forever, never stop, never, ever, near and far, and always, everywhere, and everywhere.
I feel honored to have you in my heart and world, and I look forward for a beautiful and better tomorrow with you in my life. I love you so much, my love. Ikaw, ako at ang Diyos ang bubuo ng panibagong pahina ng buhay natin.